Jody for winning our Sigma Fact Prize. Love Sigma Beauty. I love you too.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guess what? I won a prize. I won a prize from Practk by Sigma, and today we're going to be talking about it. I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm so excited. I got it today in the FedEx package, and I am so feeling my look. I used some of the products that I got. Continue watching, and do not forget to like. Do not forget to subscribe. So now we're gonna go in with the brush set. We're gonna open up. This is what the brush set is looking like. These are the brushes. I'm just gonna take them out of the little thingy. These are the brushes. They have like a gold handle with a silver ferrule, and they have the the patent on them. And guys, the bristles of these brushes, they're just so soft. So soft. This purple, gonna take this purple, it's gonna press the shadows. We're just packing the shadows, as you can see, and the brush is doing a great job. Feels so soft, blending really nice. So the brush is doing a great job, as you can see. No problems at all. It's blending really nice, as you can see. Very nice. Okay, so we're just going for an easy look today, because as I said before, these brushes, we don't have a lot of brushes to really create an intense eye look. So we're going for something very simple. So I'm guessing that this is the purpose of this 5-piece brush set, just to assist you along with your other brushes, and also for those who want a simple makeup look. I'm going to use the liner brush now. This is a liner brush. We're going to use this now to add a little bit of a brownish shade to my lash line right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go for a wing. It's like a darkish brown, deep brown. Almost looks like black. So I'm just giving you like a smoked out wing line. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the same color that we used earlier, and just to clean up the line, I'm gonna take that on top, and we're just gonna take some of the burgundy, kind of smoke out the wing, because we don't really want a wing. We just want here to be nice and smoky. Okay, satisfied. Now we're gonna go in with this brush. This is a shader brush. So as I said before, I'm using this blue from the Zulu palette. Nice, as you can see, it's a nice little simple look. I kind of think I want to do a wing line now that because I don't know, think I'm gonna do a wing line. I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner just to make the liner a little bit, pronounced. Okay guys, so I just went ahead, did the other eye, and yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I am going to use the liner brush, this brush, and I'm just going to take some of the pink that we use, or the purple pink. And we're just going to kind of blend out this down here. Yeah. I'm going to go in my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Just going to add 1, 2. Okay, so just gonna blend that out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer now, and we're using the same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Conceal and Define. Okay, so this is the power blender. After wetting it, damping it with some water, it got bigger and it's soft, I would say. I'm gonna go in with the sponge that we got from them. We're gonna go in with this sponge. It's damped. Okay, so now we're gonna blend the concealer using this part. And it blends seamlessly. Nice. The sponge is a little bit stiff, a little bit, but no problem, to be honest. Black Opal Invisible Powder, and we are going to be using this brush. This is the foundation brush. This is a foundation brush, but I can't use this for foundation. Never. This is too small for foundation for me. Maybe could use for foundation, but foundation, I can't use this for foundation. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay. You see, this is perfect for setting under the eyes, not for foundation. This is good for this purpose, not for foundation. This is the Black Opal finishing powder, and we're gonna use a little of this now. We're gonna use this brush. This is also a powder blush brush. Let me show you. It's a powder blush brush. Not a bad job so far. Feels soft. It's just a little small for me, but it's perfect for those that like, you know, a nice wash of powder. If you want like full coverage, you need to like do something a little bit more dense. Yeah, but it works. It works. And I think you could also use this brush for contour. Let me just pull this here up a bit because I have to add some powder here. And I'm gonna go in with this brush again to just kind of smoke out this. I might need something a little bit smaller, so I'm just gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this one from Sylyne. Gonna go in with this one from Sylyne. I'm just gonna smoke out here a little teeny bit more. Okay guys, so we don't really have a contour brush, but I'm gonna use one of these for contour. Okay, we're gonna use the blush powder brush for the contour. To Juvia's Place, we're gonna go in with this color and we're gonna put it on top. Right here. Blush. This is our blush now. This is just going to warm up right here because it's a little bit too dark. Okay guys, so I am nice and yeah. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of glow. And you're just gonna take that golden shade. So I'm gonna add it right here. See? Oh, okay, nothing was added. Sorry. I'm gonna take it right here. See? We're not gonna add a lot of glow, just a little right here. Can you see my glow? Nice. you know, kiss my cheekbones and just add that glow. This one. Now I'm going to pull my hair out. We're just going to So yes guys, these are the brushes that we used today and they did a great job. I don't have anything to say. Sponge also blended out the product. It's a typical brush or sponge, I should say.
I enjoyed using everything, and yeah, this is my finished look. Hope you like it. I'm gonna come to you with another video showing you the brush mat and also the brush shampoo, so you can, see how that works. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.